Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to turn into the Red Ranger, Superman and Spider-Man. As you can see. I have to make an announcement, Charlie. I have to make an announcement. I have to make an announcement. It's called ML55RB. I'm Superman. I'm Spider-Man. And I'm the Red Ranger. And I'm the Red Ranger. Spider-Man. Superman kit. Let's go to the kit. Nicely done. We're gonna have a war fight. Let's do this. Hey guys, I'll be 2 seconds.
These type of moments, it's your habits. They can be good or bad, but sometimes they come out.
I'm so scared. Someone. Kids. Hi doggies. This dog doesn't like it. Look. No, he doesn't like it. Oh, baby. Look at that dog. So cute. And it's dear. Very dear. Okay. Guys. I'm just going to set you right here. Once they get soak on the dogs. Yes, I'll bring you guys with me. Okay. Hello. Okay, go press the button. Scott. Oh yeah. Turn this. Guys, I'm not doing all vlogs. If you go check out my second channel, okay guys, since it's light in here, I'll pronounce in the microphone. Okay, I'll put Spider-Man on 2 minutes, okay? He loves Spider-Man, that guy. That kid over there. Woo! Okay, so 2 seconds. That's what I was going to say, guys. If you go and check out my second channel, the Mint 123, you'll find Minecraft, Roblox, all sorts of different gaming. And make sure you leave a like, subscribe. Please leave a comment and say I subscribe. And you'll win 1,000 Roblox cards. And if you haven't played that, download Roblox. If Thomas is watching this, please do leave a like and give me a big fat thumbs up. Maybe smash that like button already. Big shout out to Gaming Kev, Jagger, Danny, Kyle Robbie, my sister Chloe, my stepdad David, my gran, Charlie, Kaden, everybody we know, and my dad and my stepdad and my mum, everybody we know. Please leave a comment and join TDDM for Julie. Minecraft videos, whatever. Please subscribe to DanTTM. If you're watching this DanTTM, could I be in one of your videos? Same if you've got videos, same if you're Stampy. Please do leave a like and join TDDM. I joined it. So DanTTM, make more videos please. I like the one I am bread. Can you make a part 2? That was quite good. See you later guys. I'm just going to check. Okay guys, when this gets to... Okay guys, we're going to wait until this gets to... Okay, so if you can hear me properly, please leave a like. And Adam, if you're watching this, Adam Stewart, chat for me, come out to play with me. I'll be in. This is costing me £1.50 every time I try to do a YouTube video because I need an SD card. Look at Charlie had this to do because if he didn't, I wouldn't be able to speak in this microphone.